Hi, Mrs. Ducharme here. I wanted to tell you about Paperpile. This is a bookmarking tool, a citation tool, and even a search tool for working on a research task. It organizes all of your sources, and when you're working on writing your paper in your Google Doc, it will make it easy for you to put your citations into your text. So it opens up like this, and you're going to go to the sign in page here and make sure that you are logging in with your school email. That's going to be for your Amersol account. So here I am logged in, and right now I have an empty library. I'm going to start filling it with my sources. So let's say I'm here working on a project and I've got some sources here that I'm going to open. I want to show you how you're going to put your different sources into Paperpile, and then I'll show you how you can include those citations in your text. So I'm at the gathering information stage, and I'm going to open up some of these. I'm going to start with this one, Public Library of Science. It opens up like this, and I'm going to do a search for coca deforestation. And this is a great open source tool. And after doing some searching around, I've decided I'm going to choose this one here, Land Cover Change in Colombia. When I open it up, it comes like this. And I am looking it over. I've decided I want it. So I have a couple of options. One thing I can do, which I happen to think is quite fast and easy, is just grab the title. And then I go to Paperpile and I'm ready to add my first paper. Add papers. I'm going to paste the title in and see what it will find. It's searching for all kinds of things that are behind paywalls as well as Google Scholar. So this is the one I want. I choose plus, and it's going to go into my Paperpile. Okay, there it is. I thought it was going to ask me. Usually it asks if you want to put it in a particular folder, but I can do that later. Or maybe I'll make a folder right now. I'm going to call this deforestation, and I'm going to create a folder. All right, that's one search, one source completed there. I could have also, I just want to show you, if for some reason that didn't work, I could also download the PDF. Downloading the PDF is kind of nice because then it lives on your computer. You have it on your desktop. So if I were to do it that way, this is the PDF, and I would say add paper, and I would upload it as a PDF. Choose the file, and it's, I think, this one here. Okay, I'm not going to go through all that because you know how to upload papers, but I'm just saying there are a couple of different ways that you can add papers to your folder. Another one that I'm going to choose is this one, Science Reference Center. This is from EBSCO. Of course, if you need any passwords, usually the password document is handy nearby. And this one opens up like this. I'm always going to choose full text, and I'm always going to choose advanced search. Why? Because I'm in high school, and I know that advanced search gives me more control over my searches. So I'm searching coca and deforestation. And when it opens up, I've decided I'm going to take this one here, coca's role in killer slide. Okay, and I'm going to open it up. And here I have quite a few choices. And I find with the EBSCO, the best thing to do is email it or save it. I think emailing it to myself is even the best. Let's see. I want it to get to this point here where I can. The problem is export gives me all these choices which I don't want. Saving it, it's going to give me just the link. I know, I'm going to print it. Okay, what I want to get is the PDF. So when I choose to print it, sorry, hello, print. When I choose to print it, in my print field here, I can choose a printer or I can choose save as a PDF. And I'm going to do that. I'm going to save this one as a PDF. Okay, and after I've saved it as a PDF, I can go in and upload it. Oh, by the way, I could have also done the option of taking the title and seeing if it's here. That's the first thing I should always do, is put in the title, see if it's there. That's the easiest. There it is. Okay, so I'm going to put it in. Okay, when I put it in by title, I'm going to close it. Okay, when I put it in by title, I'm going to see here it says incomplete. Okay, and this says PDF restricted. Access is restricted. Because I just popped in the title, this is one that's behind a database, in this case EBSCO. So in this case I do really want that PDF, so I'm going to go ahead and upload the PDF, which was this one here I think I just did, or actually this one that I did earlier, Coco's role in Killer Slide. I'm going to upload it, and when I upload it as a PDF, I'll be able to access it. Here it's coming down here. Okay, while that's uploading, let's go to another source. This is one I found through Google actually, and it's a fantastic article, and when I was doing my Googling around, I found it, and it's already a PDF. So I just download it and I'll put it in my paper. I'm going to upload it, and it's called, what was it called? I think it was this one. Okay, and I'll put that one in. Notice this one here that was showing as restricted before, now here it is, I can have it. So probably what I'll do is I'll just delete this restricted one, make that one go away, and now I have two good ones. Oh, sorry, that one didn't work. Let me double check the name of this. Revealing the hidden PDF. Okay, seems good. Let's see if we can get it again. I'm gonna upload. Maybe I'll try dragging it in, and I'll start my upload. It should go in okay. While that one is uploading, I'm going to go to this one here, Science in Context. Science in Context is one of my favorites. It's the same as Opposing Viewpoints. I'm going to put in Colegio FDR, that's the password. And when it opens up, I have to make sure to choose Science. Duh, of course. And I have the option to do some browsing, but I know what I'm doing, so I'm going to go ahead and put in Coca deforest. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'll show you something here. I'm going to put in Coca. And once I get in here, what I really want is deforestation. So I'm going to look for this gray box here. This is super deforestation. It's going to limit my COCA results to that issue. And now I can take any of these. Notice here, magazines, it says 4. I'm going to see if I can open it up to make it so I can show all of them. And I had one that I really liked. It was this one here. I'm going to copy that title. That'll be my first time. Always try that first. I think that's the easiest. That one went in, by the way. See there, uploaded. There it is. So let's see if this one is here. And if it is, this will be our last one, I believe. Sorry, lots of clicking around. That is it. Rethinking the Yep, I'm going to plus it, add it to my thingy, my paper pile. And once I have them all in, I'll show you some of the cool things you can do. Now this is, remember, I'm in my information gathering stage. So I've gathered all my information, and this is what I have found so far. In this folder, I could share this with a friend, rename, and so forth. How do I share? This part, these things here, look up here, share, add to a share folder. Oh God, I did it again. Oh boy. That's a project for Miss Lutyens' class. Okay, anyway, so I have lots of options up here, okay? But what I really want to do now is show you how you can, let's see, I want to move all of these into my deforestation folder. So here they are in my deforestation folder. Now, let's say I have done my note-taking and my writing. You can see I've got some tools here to make little notes about these sources. But I've done some writing about my topic, okay? And I'm ready to put in some citations. Notice here I have a new button. Because I have logged into Paperpile and synced it with my Gmail, I have this button here, and it's going to show up all the time now. That's fine. I'm going to do a lot of research in high school. So here, for example, let's say I've done some writing about information that is not mine. I've paraphrased some information. I want to put here a citation. So I go to Paperpile and I choose Insert Citation. Now I have a search bar and I can start typing in. Where did it come from? Oh yeah, it came from this rethinking one. So I start typing rethinking blah blah blah, and there it is, and add it, and it goes in automatically. Okay, here's another one down here. I want to add right here. Here's a quotation. Okay, I definitely want to add it here. So I'm going to move my period, and here I'm going to add my citation. And which one was it from? Oh yeah, it was from Coca's Roll. Coca's Roll. And there it is, and I will add it and cite it. Okay, so you can see how this could be very useful, and often you're using some of the same sources over and over, and so you will kind of remember which ones you're using. The other thing I can do is add a works cited section. Now, of course, my works cited is always on its own, very own page. And so here, I'm going to go to my paper pile. I've put in all my citations. All of these 4 sources are in my paper. And so I'm ready to put my citations in. And so what I can do is cite here. Whoops, sorry, I want to choose them all. Choose each of these. I can probably select all. You know what? Okay, and now I'm going to cite these, citation. Okay, I've already chosen, by the way, here, under here, citation style, I've already chosen APA, which is what we use for science, but I could just as easily choose MLA, which is what we use for English and history and the humanities. So I'm going to cite, copied to the clipboard, fine. I'm going to go back and paste, and there's my citations. Now, it's almost perfect. It really should be double spaced, line spacing double. It should not have any lines in between. And it should be reverse indented, which I can do easily by highlighting all of it. I drag the triangle down and write away the top rectangle over, and I have my reverse indentation. Okay, so that is a paper. I need to add 2 more citations, because notice here I have 2 citations and 4 sources. I must have an even match. But for now, to give you an idea of how it works, I think that will be it. I hope you enjoy using Paperpile. It's very new to me. I just found out about it yesterday. But let me know what kinds of tips and tricks you can share with me. Okay, thanks. Bye.